You either love them or you absolutely hate them. Tiny camp tables. We're actually going to look at the Serotonin Mini Pocket Table today. You have found Explore Trek Adventure with Kelly and Greg. We cover everything camping, from backpacking to adventure vans. Serotonin did send us this tiny table for review. If you're curious how we handle free products, go check out this link on our website. We've used a few tiny tables in the past. We've got a Trekology, a Cascade Wild, but this is definitely the smallest camping table we've ever used. This is currently on Kickstarter, and we'll have a link in our description so it's easy to find. We have our little table. Inside is our little pocket journal, along with a pen. We've got the carrying case, and then inside here, where you can store this, is a little game. The table comes in 6 different colors. I believe this is the rose color. It's made of aluminum on top, and the legs are actually stainless steel. It has a quick setup, but it does take a little practice. You need to fling it quickly open. Sometimes when you're flinging it open, it does fail, so it takes a little extra force. It's a simple table, but it's got some cool design features, and it comes in at 4.8 ounces. On the underside, the legs, to actually put them away, you have to pull out and tuck them under. There is no quick undo. It has magnets on the end, so when you close it, it snaps and stays shut. To show you how big it is, it actually does fit in my pocket. So technically, it is pocket sized. So let me show you the add-ons. We got our little pocket journal, and actually you can take notes, sketch, whatever you want to do. It's just a blank little notebook. Nice thing is, it does fit right inside of the table, so you can store it in there. You got your little tiny little pen. The unique thing about this little tiny pen is it does have a magnet on both sides. So when you take off the lid, you can actually magnet to it. So you're not gonna be losing your lid. Also, you can connect it to your table. You can put the pen in there, it closes up, and both of them completely fit inside here. And then there's a carrying case or a wallet. There's a little spot on the side that you can put your little table. And then the nice thing that I actually like about this is that it's a zippered other pocket. So you could put cards, I mean, we have our game in here, but you could put cards or money or whatever you need in there and know that it's secured with that little zipper. It folds up flat, and then it's got a little bungee to seal it. So it's all tucked away right inside. And the material is 210D, so it's not really ultralight, but it's a little bit thicker, so it should be durable. Let's open up the table so we can set up the game and show you all about it. Take that out, get our little board game out, and it fits right on top of the table. It has a little bag, and this has the little pieces. It's a 2-person one, and a little tiny little die. Oh. There's the dice. It does come with instructions. It's kind of like Chutes and Ladders for hikers outdoors. If you're stuck in your tent, it's a fun little game to play. 3. Oh no, I have to go back to bear. These pieces are tiny, so you want to remember to always put them away, because I definitely could see them getting lost. What we normally use the little table for is having a clean surface, especially when we're cooking. And it makes round surfaces flat. Perfect spot to put your spoons, cups, whatever you need to use when you're eating. They also had some other uses for this table. Only have 2 legs out as a kickstand, and you could use it as a windscreen if you needed. Another use, and I think this will be helpful in the van, is using it as a hot pad. You can actually just set your pot on top of it. If you're killing time and wanted to watch a movie, there are 2 options to use this as a phone stand. First option is have it like this, and now you can have 2 legs out, and then you just lean your phone so you can watch a movie like this. The other option is to have all 4 legs out, and you fold it in half, and these actually lock into place. And then you can stand your phone up in it. The only con I have is that the legs can be a little bit tricky and a little bit sticky to pull out. So how would we realistically use this setup? Well, I actually think that if we're on shorter trips, backpacking, and weight isn't an issue, I think I would take the whole thing. And because the game is actually pretty fun. Now, Greg on the half, since he is a gram weenie, he'd probably just take the table. And I think it would be good for using for cooking. I think that would be our main purpose. If we needed a clean surface for chopping up vegetables, food, a nice clean place to put our utensils. I think we'll definitely keep this in the van because I like that hot plate feature. We actually didn't even think about that as an option. I think this actually could be a good gift idea because it's just not a table. It's got a whole bunch of other options that you can use it for. And all the add-ons kind of make it a little extra, I don't know, cool little gift. Go watch this video next. You can find us at exploretrekadventure.com and we'll see you next time.